Look who's here. Look who's here. Little tiny Palin. Come on up here. Come on. Come on, Palin. Oh, you're such a cutie. Who's cute? Palin is. Who's cute? Palin's doing very well, as is her housemate Lucy. They don't get along, so we don't put them in the playroom together. They've been here many times before. Come on up here. And they always do very well. Palin, look at you. Look at you. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Come over here. I'm going to come sit down with you. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're my little girl. Listen to that purr. Listen to that purr.